ya no. Oh no, ya no. Many men flow, many sweaty, many fin. Ya no. Shiba me ya no.
Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the Hill Apartment Project. And if it is your first time here, my name is Elgigogh, and today the focus is on the steel works, steel construction. So this is going to be the last decking steel work for this project, as we are the last floor. So as you can see, the guys are ready, preparing and tightening the beams at the moment, which is very crucial and very important. We all saw what happened a few weeks ago at Ofankor. A whole about 1 million Ghana project went down just in one day. And the most annoying thing is that you still have to spend money to clear the compound, to clear out the whole place before you can come back again and start building. And trust me, that money could have helped the foundation, or could have helped the pillars to stand, to prevent that from happening. But we always want to postpone our cry. We don't want to cry now because things are expensive, and we always want to build cheap and cut down cost. Cutting down cost is a very dangerous thing, especially if you have multiple floors. It's very dangerous. So let's just watch out, and also the kind of people we use in our construction. Like I said in my previous videos, we should always ask questions, know who you are working with. Some builders will even advise you to buy the cheap, quality, and use less iron rod because it's expensive. Just that for you to know that they are good and they think about you, so that you don't spend much money and you also listen to them. But at the same time, you should also watch out for those who are charging you so much and doing nothing. I can see them on this space.
Anyako.
Are you on interview? Okay,
Ni wadromo na shiba mi. Anybody work any chumo ishene. Shiba mi. Yeah. Betu no wakpa. Betu no wakpa. Tunjo. Waji wabi mi se ishi. Kawa bwena nisa na waludu le. Nisa waludu le. Washine like. One bodromo na anybody work wabi mi se ishi ne. Waye aplaku. The second phase. Born a bime. Anybody know that waludu le Germany waludu le like expansion is. Wadromo na wale tension bar expansion bar wale. Wadromo na anybody work dream session. Kewo. Ni mo ke wala ke won ba cha no. Wo ko lo efe no mo ajo yin fe. Mo ajo yin fe. Mo ajo yin. And then you finishing. These are the main beams. Came here today and we are started today. And so far, where we have reached, that is it, the beams. So you can see, these are the main beams. Ya no afodade blablo naka fo wa ko ba yin ko wa won wo efo wa dade pe efo wa ya ishi ba mi mena won be kun yemi na ga no ugba yemi I don't get my year war. Domo mi. Yemi. Modomo na ni gbẹ̀rún ọ̀kẹ́ ní ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀kẹ́ bá ẹ̀wọ́ ààrẹ wà lè bá wọ́n fi fẹ́ ọba bí akẹ́ mí ni chalk mark ní ọ̀kẹ́ mark wọ̀ bá ṣe different lines in order. Mbosi kome yo jeme. Mbosi, I no fear. No fear. Kami ni wo mi. Baba se wo mi. Mini bus. Wada kan na kan ya lona. Ne ko gbona ege mi na ke odo yu ba ko no ke wo bi memi wo na kan ba shi na kan lo to aflete o yu ba ni o wa shi na kan lo to aflete I see okay come on yo mo se be yu ba se fe okay baba cho mi ekun ka chu bi mi ekun ka ba ka dan ekun ke mole ko no step down o ra do nu ma job Hello. Hello. Hey, Cosmo, what are you doing? You are doing what? You are starting your U-bus, eh? Okay, there, to set up, eh? Okay, you are doing setup, eh? Okay, thank you. Nano, obi mene, sigi bi mene. Ole min da. Wonye wo shi na kan. Sani attention le ne fe peyin jenche. Hey, inu wo. Oba na fi duku.
Avina rice.
Kaleme na no kono ka jite egbe.
Mini bonkata. Bonkata.
Mini kata. Bonkata. Papa check bo yo gba yi. Mini kata.
Atale bonkata.
Bo kata ona. Eshi ba mi na ka fi o.
Wona floor order dey there. O measurement there.
You for that there. Okay. All right, no ma job. Eyano. Eyano. Na wa projection e. Angene. Inu mo. Ogboro je je ne na le lu mo le. Chale mi le yano, ogbe kan ne. Omo yo. Lo mi le yano. Obrado mi bo ne mi le yano. Yano. Unbelievable. Chale mi na ke olodu bi mi ko me bi ene. Hello. Ina ko olodu bi mi ko me bi ene. Wa yen ni ogba mi fi o ke cho mi. Go get angry any part. Look at God ni logo be. Asale go fear. Wani eyi wa. Ke iwale ba mi e. Wole age logo be shishi. Wo ke iwale ba mi e. Ba gbe shi. Na do na age bi me ni jese. Won ade jeje me to wan ni go e die. Ni jese to ga ba. Okay. Ukwe bi ona age instead of our feel happy wow. Because of the okay. So far, this is where we have reached. We have finished our lazing bars, tight everything. It has left some small things that we do. Yes. And so far, this is where we have reached. Yeah, as you can see. These are the second beam. The distribution bars. You can see how we lay it. So brief, was so nice. Say na ya juma no. Say ya 2 boss na ya hihye dade ne kama. And yes, BBC no I say juma. Yeah, juma ya rush dabi. Although I say yeah in term but yeah rush ya juma. Yeah rush ya boss. Now your markings come. At least it's a plumber bar and in the tuition bar almost a banya omujuma come. Yes, when you juma obi bar now bar no why or now that they beam see dabi yeah juma sa the two you bossy yeah juma. You don't need to rush. You have to take our time to do the work neat. As you can see, yeah, perfectly neat. Yeah. So you can see our step down. So far from today, you can see. Maybe someone may ask, why are you using this 20 mm? Yeah, so you can see from where the column is. I see the column where the pipe is. From here to that column, which means under it there's no pillar, there's no column under it. So the under is playing. So you need to tension the center to avoid vibration. That's why I use iron 20. So you can see that's why we load it. Yeah, perfectly done. Perfectly. Yeah. So you can see to take off the vibration. And also to prevent break or falling or failure. Yeah. So you can see. So far, this is where we have reached. Yeah. Any washing it? Washing it. Bodrum na any gonna get washing. If you phone akpa, to have it. I don't go to you to me. Go to money about the most and never acquire enu yishi. Or chuno go pasa Davida. Chuno go nege buko domo se neba nako lele chumo. So work. You can see the tighting plate solid tighting. So you can see where our laps are. Yes, you need to get your lap perfectly. Every bar should cross at the beam. You should lap the center of the beam. Yeah. So you can see our lapping. This is a lapping. This is called lapping. Yeah, have you seen it? Yeah. Where you can see the double. Daddy menu ashia no lapping, you feel lapping, you feel no lapping. I say lap wo beam. I say lapping wo. The body of the slab. No, can't be possible. Yeah. Oh. Maybe anya your lappings no perfectly. Yeah. Have you seen the lapping? Good. And it's about 2 feet lapping. I think it's enough. So have you seen the lapping?
So it is day 4 and the still work is completed. So we have the team on site. Also, the contractor is there to control and check that everything is neatly done, as you can see on your screen. And you know that's what we do here, with Gigo Production Group. We check, double check, and cross check. So this will bring us to the end of today's episode. My next episode, I will touch on one or two things because I see people trying to do the steel bending and they do a lot of mistakes. Here you can see a very good job done. So I'll use this video to teach one or two things. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly please do so that you don't miss out on my next episode. And thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Like, do we?